Good morning. The project on hand right now is to build up a stone edge alongside the station to separate the grass area from the station area.
That said, we are getting right into today's project, but first of all I want to apologize for the audio quality in the first clip. I've decided to let my main camera inside for this project because it was very dirty and messy and I don't want to screw up my main camera, so I used my GoPro and the audio isn't that good on my GoPro. I am working on it. But back to the project, I am digging out this channel alongside the station area because I want to set my stones at track level and I want to use concrete underneath and beside the stones to get some stability out of them. So here I'm digging the channel. I'm laying down a little bit of sand underneath, and right here you can see I'm grabbing the stone as height reference and I'm using the spirit level to check if I have enough space for sand base, concrete, and then setting the stones in the concrete. The next step is to set up a string line, which you will see right here. I will use the string line mostly for height reference, but the first and the last bit of the stones will be in a straight line. So at this point I can use the string line also as a directional reference, not only height reference. Here I'm setting one last natural stone, since the elevation of the ground on the other side is very high at this point, and after this last natural stone I will begin to set my granite stones at track level. So here I'm leveling off the string line and then I can start mixing the concrete. You won't believe it, but it took me all day to dig out the channel, mix the concrete and set all those stones alongside the station area. So now it is the next day, the concrete has hardened up and I have to fill all the gaps between the stones with concrete as well to prevent grass from growing through the gaps of the stones. So this is a very boring process. I almost lost patience. It took me several hours And yeah, here is a little bit of the work from this day. It had to be done and now it is done. Here I'm filling in some track base. As you may have noticed, there is a big gap between the last track and the line of stones. This space will be used for another track, which I will add in the near future to get a little bit more capacity out of my station area. Now I'm starting out with the landscaping behind the layout. I've bought a few plants and I will plant them right now. The final step for today's project will be to seed grass in front of the station area. As you can see, the ground is extremely hard right now and I try to loosen it up to my best ability before I get in some nice topsoil, which I will spread out and get down my seed into this nice topsoil at the end. So let's enjoy the next few steps together. Here we go, you guys. This is a wrap for today. As you can see, the stone edge looks very good. I'm so happy. And to the left I have seeded the grass. And to the right we have a nice level track base with some space for an additional track. So I'm very happy with the progress for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see us on the next one when I do something else on the Garden Railroad. Bye!